Okay, welcome. Let's solve this question 20 NOV-DEC 2024 edition. Given that 4 times 6 equals to k mod 7, we have to find the value of what? K. So in fast forward, if I have 4 times 6 equals to k in the mode of 7, this simply means that 4 times 6 in the mode of what? 7 is equals to k. That's the meaning of that. So we are looking for the k. This is going to be 24 in the mode of 7. Now, for us to get whatever the value will be, we divide 24 by 7 to get a whole number. And that's going to be 3 times 7, 21. 4 times 7, that will be 28, bigger than this. So I'll be having 3 times 7 plus what value will give me the 24? That will be 3. Then in the mode of what? 7. Now, this is the quotient answers. This is the remainder. Don't forget, mode is a remainder theorem. So this gives you 3 in the mode of what? 7. So this is representing the k. So therefore, k is equals to what? 3. This is k mod 7, 3 mod 7, or 3 mod 7, k mod 7. So we are in the same position. So k is going to be 3, and the option will be C. I believe you understood this concept. Modulo is what? A remainder theorem. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.